Hey, I'm Blake Ambrester, founder of Solar Bear, and these are the 10 top points you need to know when buying a solar system. The number one is choosing the right contractor. When looking for the right contractor, you need to make sure that they have the proper general liability insurance, that they have workers' comp, that all of their people are W-2 employees, and that they don't subcontract any work. You need to make sure they don't have any active lawsuits, that they're not in any class action lawsuits, and that they are financially stable to take on your project and to give you the value that you deserve. The second point when buying solar, and what is so important, is understanding your utility company. Solar is not a one-size-fits-all and is not a one-market-fits-all. You need to know the buyback rate of your utility company, because if they do not buy back dollar for dollar, you could be losing money every single month. So you've got to understand your utility company and their net metering buyback. The next thing, number 3, is solar a good fit for your home? Is your home covered in trees? Do you have enough roof space? Is your roof in good standing? Does it still have high integrity to withstand the weight of a solar system? If not, those things need to be taken care of first before you get your solar system project completed. It's super important, and it could cost you thousands if you don't do it the right way. The fourth point when buying a solar system is so important because you need to understand the warranties and the contract that you're signing up on. Make sure you read through all the paperwork. Make sure that everything that you were promised by the sales rep is inside of your contract. If it is not written on paper, it doesn't count. They're gonna end up hurting you in the long run. So please make sure the warranties are spelled out, the equipment is spelled out, and all of the promises of the sales rep are within your contract. It's super important. The fifth most important point is what type of equipment are they using to go on your roof? Whether you're in the roofing industry or the solar industry, a lot of contractors will be very vague with the type of equipment that they're going to use on your home. But don't let this be. You want to know specifically what type of panels you're getting, what type of inverters you're getting, how long they've been in business, how long their warranties are, and what type of track record they have in the industry. Do they have a high failure rate? These things are so important when buying solar, and they can save you thousands of dollars when you do it the right way. The sixth most important point when buying a solar system, if you're financing it, is understanding your financing. What are the terms? Does the rate change? Is it a fixed cost or is it variable? Does it go up after every 5 years? You need to understand how you're going to be getting billed. Are they billing you immediately after the solar system is installed, or is there a promotional period where they're not going to bill you for 6 months, 12 months, or even 18 months? If you understand this, you're gonna start off on the right foot. The eighth most important point is, does the company that is signing you up use subcontractors? Subcontractors are not just necessarily negative, but they can bring negative aspects to the project. If they're subcontracting with a bunch of different people, the level of quality control goes down significantly, potentially giving you a poor experience for your solar system. If they're not using subcontractors, they're controlling the quality, they're controlling the flow of work, they're controlling the flow of materials, and you're gonna get a much better experience from that contractor. Number 9, most important point when you're going solar, you need to understand your billing. Solar doesn't mean that every month you have no bill. What it means is that that solar system is gonna produce the same amount of energy that you used in the previous year. So in the summer months, you have higher bills, in the winter, you have lower bills. So you need to understand how that works. Making sure that your perception is not that every single month you're gonna have a $0 bill, because that's not true. And number 10, how long has your contractor been in business? What type of track record do they have? What type of reviews do they have? What are the experiences of other customers saying about your contractor? They're not making it up. It's not in vain. Listen to what people have to say and then do your due diligence to make sure that you're signing up with the right contractor. Remember this, the cost of electricity is always going up. It's gone up every year for the last 50 years. It's never gone down. So what that means for you is you have a never-ending payment with never-ending interest to the utility company. Solar allows you to make the change and lower your cost to a fixed cost that never goes up and never changes. So once you go solar, as the utility companies raise their rates, the only thing that is raising for you is your savings. And that is why solar is a long-term smart money plan and not a get-rich-quick scheme. I'm Blake Ambrester, CEO and founder of Solar Bear, and I look forward to serving you in the future.
Solar Bear is highly recommended by Directory.com and Roofing Insights. If you're looking for a solar contractor near you, go to Directory.com to find one that we recommend. You can also download the app from the App Store. Directory does not give bad recommendations. We did the hard work of screening and qualifying solar contractors, so you don't have to do the homework. You can check who we have listed, contact them for a quote, and in case something goes wrong, Every transaction guaranteed by $20,000 guarantee. It's Directory.com, the safest way to find a contractor.